let's get a little more stock specific then. FII holding in HDFC Bank slightly decreased in the June quarter, which led to a higher foreign investor room in the stock as well. This would lead to other adjustments on indices as well. Somit is standing by to explain exactly what this means.
Well, HDFC Bank will remain in focus given the fact that they have come out with the shareholding data. Now, why is this shareholding data important? Because this data has been considered by MSCI to decide HDFC Bank's weightage on the MSCI index. Now, if you see as per the June 2024 shareholding data, the FI holding in HDFC Bank has come down to around 54.83. Now, this number of FI holding is also the lowest in multiple quarters. But what is more important here is that because of the fact that the shareholding of FIs have fallen in the June quarter, the FI headroom has now increased to around 25.9% as against 24.95% in the March 2024 quarter. Now, whenever the FI headroom increases above the 25% mark, the adjustment factor to consider the weightage increases from 0.5 to 1 times. Now, in the earlier review which happened in May of MSCI, the headroom was a bit lower than 25%. It missed the mark by around 5 basis points, and hence the higher weightage of HDFC Bank was not considered. But now, given the fact that the headroom has increased to 25.9%, higher weightage will be considered, and most likely HDFC Bank's weightage in the MSCI index would increase from around 3.8% currently to close to 7.2 to 7.5%. Now, because of this increased weightage, analysts are expecting inflows of anywhere between 3 to 4 billion US dollars to come in, which is nearly 7 times its 20-day average volume. Now, this MSCI announcement for this is expected on August 13th, and flows regarding the same is expected on August 13th. Now, though this announcement is nearly a month away, over the short term one needs to keep an eye out for the HDFC Bank Q1 results, which are on July 20th, and from the last 1 month lows, if you see, the stock is up nearly 16 odd percent, which could also be because some of the part of the street was expecting this higher weightage of MSCI. So that's the reason some flows might have come in already into HDFC Bank, and hence the stock is up nearly 16%. But if you look at the valuations of HDFC Bank, they are still below its 5-year average of around 3 times. The 12-month forward valuation for HDFC Bank currently stands at around 2.6 times.
Alright, Swami, thanks so much for taking us through that. Remember, HDFC Bank stellar moves yesterday as well, 1.5% higher is where that stock closed, the only gainer in an otherwise pressured Nifty Bank index. But on that,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.